We'll continue with statistic 14C, find the median, question number 9. Here we have to find a missing frequency. They already give us the median is equal to 24. So if we look at the class interval, they are already continuous, so we can apply formula directly. Okay, so in order to find the median, first of all we need to find the cumulative frequency. So let us find the cumulative frequency first. Here we have 5, so let it remain 5. Then for the second one, you plus 5 plus 25, 30. Then 30 plus x. 30 is a number, x is alphabet. We cannot plus, so we have to write it like that only. Then 30 plus x plus 18. 30 and 18 are number we can plus, then x we can write separately. So we get 48 plus x. Again we plus with 7. 48 is a number, 7 is a number, we can plus, x we write it separately. So it becomes 55 plus x. Then in order to use a formula, we have to find the median class. How to find it? Here we already have, because x is unknown, so difficult for us to divide by 2. So we will make use of this one. Median they give 24. So from the class interval, you see which class we will find 24. So 24 we will find it between 20 to 30. Okay, already given median 24. So it will be between 20 to 30. So this will be the median class. So if it is a median class, then the lower limit will be 20. H will be 30 minus 20. Then our F will be X. Our C will be before the median class, that is 30. So now the total frequency, we have 55 plus X. We have to divide by 2. Since we have plus, we cannot divide, so we have to write it like that as a fraction only. Now let us use formula. We know median equal to L plus N by 2 minus C by F into H. Median already given 24, we can replace. L we know 20, N by 2, that means 55 plus X by 2 minus 30 divided by F is X. This is plus, take the side become minus, because our aim is to find X. Okay, so 24 minus 20 will be 4. Then here we have fraction. So we can find LCM. LCM of 2 and 1 will be 2. 2 and denominator and LCM same. So this one remains same. 1 divide 2 will be 2. So 2 into 30, it will become 60. Okay, we get there. So now this X we have equal, so we can cross multiply. X we can cross this side. Then here 60 is a number, 55 is a number. Here we have plus, here we have minus, so you can minus. 60 minus 55 will get 5. 60 is greater, so we put minus sign. Then this 2 we can bring it down. So 2 here we can divide 5. Okay, so now we multiply this one. 5 into minus 5 minus 25. 5 into x, 5x. X and x take one side. Then 5 minus 4, 1. Here we have greater than those. So the value of x is equal to 25. Then next we'll continue to the next question. Number 10. Here also we have to find F1 and F2. Two missing frequency. And what is given from the question? They give us the median is equal to 32.5. Okay, and the total frequency is given to be 40. They can give us two values. One is a total frequency, another is median. So we have to find value of F1 and F2. Check the class interval. They are continuous. So we can apply directly. First of all, we have to find the cumulative frequency. So here F1 is alphabet, so write it F1. Then the second one is 5, alphabet and number. We cannot plus, so we have to write them both. Then we plus with 9. 9 and 5, they are number, we can plus. F1 we write it separately. Then we will get 9 plus 5, 14 plus F1. Then again we plus with 12. So F1 is a alphabet, leave it separately. Then you plus 14 with 12. We will get 26 plus F1. Then now come with F2. So it will be F1 and F2, they are separate. They are different. So we have to write them separately. Then it come with 3. So 26 and 3, they are number. We can plus. So it become 29 plus F1 plus F2. Then we have to plus with 2. So 29 and 2 is a number. We can plus 29 plus 2. We get 31 plus F1 plus F2. Now we have to find median class. Median already given 32.5. So where will be 32.5? Because it is a median, we have to check from class interval. So 32, it will be between 30 to 40. So that's why 30 to 40 is the median class, because the median is equal to 32.5. So our lower limit L will be 30, H will be 40 minus 30, then F will be 12, C will be before the median class. It will be 14 plus F1. So let's apply the formula. So already given the total frequency, we get 31 plus F1 plus F2. But the question also already given that total frequency is 40, which means that 31 plus F1 plus F2. If we know the value of F1 and F2, the answer will be total 40. So 40 divided by 2, we get 20. Then now let us use the formula for median. Median equal L plus N by 2 minus C by F into H. Median we know 32.5, L we know 30, N by 2 we know 20, C we have 14 plus F1, since we have minus, you put inside bracket, H we have 10, then F 12. So here we can cancel 2 into 5, 2 into 6. So then this one has no F, we can bring it this side, plus we can bring it side, become minus. So remember 30 has no decimal, we minus only from 32. So we get 2.5. Then this 6 down, we can cross multiply. Then here we can multiply the minus inside, minus to plus, okay. Then this 5 we can, here 20 and 14, they are number, we can minus. So this 5 we can into inside, 5 into 6, 30, 5 into minus F1 will be minus 5 F1. So now we have to find F1 first. So there, here it is minus, so this is plus, we take this side, become minus. So 15 minus 30 will be minus 15, minus cancel, F1 equal 15 divided by 5 equal 3. F1 we get. Next we have to find F2. So remember we already have the total frequency 40, but when we calculate from the question we get 31 plus F2 plus F1, but that is still equal to 40. So 31, let it be. F2 we don't know, let it be. F1 we already calculate 3, so we can replace 3. 31 plus 3, they are number, we can plus 34. So take it the other side, become minus. So the value of F2 is equal to 40 minus 34 equal 6. So we get both the values for F1 and F2. Question number 15 is similar to number 10, so we can do it quickly. Here we have two missing frequency. So we can put this one as F1, this one as F2. Then here also they give us the median 46, the total frequency 230. So we have to find F1 and F2. I'll do a little bit quickly because more or less the same, okay? So look at the class interval, they are continuous, so we can find directly the cumulative frequency. So this is 12, remain 12. For the second one, 12 plus 30. Then for there we get 42 plus F1. Number and alphabet, we cannot plus them, leave like that. Then next we plus only 42 with 65. F1 leave it like that. Then here we have F2, so alphabet and numbers we cannot plus, so leave them both. And F1 and F2, they are different, write them both. Then we take 107, we plus with 25, F1, F2 remain same. Then 132 plus 18, F1 and F2 remain same. So finally we get 150 plus F1, F2. The median already given 46. So check from the class interval where you'll get 46. 46 you will get it between 40 and 50. 46 we get between 40 and 50. So that's why this is the median class. So if this is the median class, L will be 40, H will be 50 minus 40, F will be 65, C will be before the cumulative frequency, that is 42 plus F1. So the total frequency already given from the question. Okay, though we calculate, we get this one, but easy for us to divide, we will take already given by the question, that is 230. So if you divide by 2, we get 115. So let's apply it in the formula. Median we already have L plus N by 2 minus C by F into H. So median we get 46, L we know 40, N by 2 we already have 115 minus C put inside bracket because we have minus. Then H we get 10, F 65. Here we can divide with 5 to 513 because multiply we can divide. Okay, 40 has no X, we can take this side, become minus. Then here into the sign inside, minus into plus, minus to plus, just remove decimal. Now these two are number, we can minus them, F1 leave separately. Then there we will get, after we minus, then the one which is down we can cross multiply up. Okay, since we have equal. Then this 2 which is outside we can multiply, 2 into 23, 2 into F1. Then we want F1, so this one which have no exchange it. Okay, spread F1 and numbers. This is minus, take the side become plus, this is plus, take the side become minus. So minus we get 68, then we divide by 2, finally F1 equal to 34. Then the total frequency we have 230 given by the question, but after we plus from the question we get 150 plus F1 plus F2. Now it's time to find F2. F1 we already have 34, replace it there. 150 and 34 are number, we plus them. We want F2, we take them that side, plus, take the side become minus. So when we minus we get 46. So that means the value of F1 is 34, the value of F2 is 46. We get both what the question want.